Hello everyone. On June 1st, 2024, at 3:27 pm, Mars, known as the warrior planet in Vedic astrology, will transit into Aries. This significant event sees Mars moving into its own sign, Aries, which is the first sign of the natural zodiac. Mars also governs Scorpio, the eighth sign of the zodiac. When Mars is in Aries, it forms the powerful Ruchaka Yoga due to its position in a Kendra from the natural zodiac, making it one of the most potent yogas in astrology. This video delves into the effects of Mars transit in Aries, highlighting both the positive and negative aspects it might bring. We will explore how this transit will impact the lives of those under all 12 zodiac signs and discuss measures to mitigate any adverse effects. Join us as we uncover the influence of Mars in Aries 2024 and learn how to navigate this dynamic period effectively. Starting June 1, 2024, the transit of Mars will significantly impact Aries natives. Mars, ruling both the first house and the eighth house, will occupy the first house during this period. This placement brings notable changes across various aspects of life. Career-wise, those employed can anticipate considerable progress and positive developments. Business owners are likely to see increased profits and new growth opportunities. Financially, this transit favors boosting income and enchanting savings. Relationships will also benefit with stronger bonds and improved harmony with life partners. Health generally remains good, although minor issues like headaches may arise. To maximize the positive effects and minimize any negative impacts, Aries natives are advised to perform puja for planet Rahu on Saturdays. This ritual can help balance the energies and ensure a smoother experience during Mars dynamic transit. Starting June 1, 2024, Mars transit will significantly affect Taurus natives. Mars, ruling the 7th and 12th houses, will occupy the 12th house during this period. This transit may bring financial gains but also fluctuating fortunes. In your career, you might face challenges and a potential loss of reputation among superiors. Business owners may find profits moderate with neither significant gains nor losses. Financially, stability is likely, though substantial growth might not occur. In relationships, there could be increased arguments with your life partner stemming from misunderstandings. Health-wise, be cautious of eye-related issues and potential toothaches. To enhance positive outcomes and mitigate negative effects, Taurus natives should perform puja for goddess Durga on Tuesdays. This practice can help balance the influences of Mars transit, promoting well-being and harmony during this period. Starting June 1, 2024, the transit of Mars will influence Gemini natives as it occupies the 11th house, ruling both the 6th and 11th houses. This transit is likely to bring considerable gains, including benefits through loans. Career-wise, you might encounter new opportunities that provide satisfaction and help achieve your goals. Business owners can expect good profits leading to a sense of fulfillment. Financially, While you will learn a significant amount, saving money might be challenging. In relationships, you will likely build a strong rapport with your life partner and enjoy pleasant conversations. Health wise, you will experience high energy levels and enthusiasm. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate any negatives during Mars transit, Gemini natives should chant the mantra Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya 21 times daily. This practice will help the transit's energies and support overall well being. Starting June 1, 2024, Mars will transit through the 10th house for Cancer natives, where it rules both the 5th and 10th houses. This transit is expected to bring significant progress and success in your endeavors. Career wise, those employed will likely meet several targets, with some securing new government jobs. Business owners can anticipate increased profits and a competitive edge over rivals. Financially, this period promises rising fortunes, potentially through job promotions. Relationship wise, the transit fosters stronger bonds and better harmony with your life partner. Health wise, you will enjoy high levels of energy and enthusiasm. To maximize the positive effects and mitigate any negatives during Mars transit, Cancer natives should perform puja for planet Saturn on Saturdays. This practice will help balance the transit's influences and enhance overall well being. Starting June 1, 2024, Mars will transit the 9th house for Leo natives, where it rules the 4th and 9th houses. The transit is expected to bring good luck, increased financial gains, and overall happiness. In your career, you may receive new on-site job opportunities that bring satisfaction and open doors for further advancement. Business owners will likely find this period exciting, with many new opportunities emerging. Financially, you can expect increased income and the ability to save more, making a fortunate time for your finances. Relationships will flourish, allowing you to enjoy joyful moments and a strong bond with your life partner. Health wise, you will benefit from high energy levels, contributing to overall well being. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate any negatives of Mars transit, Leo natives should chant the Aditya Hrudayam or the mantra Om Suryaya Namaha 11 times daily. This practice will help balance the energies of the transit and promote well being. Starting June 1, 2024, Mars will transit the 8th house for Virgo natives, where it rules the 3rd and 8th houses. This transit may bring obstacles that require personal effort and patience to overcome. Career wise, expect increased travel and job pressure during this period. Business owners might experience moderate profits with a risk of financial losses. Financially, there could be unwanted expenses and potential money loss. Relationship wise, you may encounter distress with your life partner, affecting the harmony of your relationship. Health wise, be mindful of eye irritations that could cause discomfort. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate any negatives of Mars transit, Virgo natives should chant the mantra Om Namo Narayanaya 41 times daily. This practice will help balance the energies and promote overall well being during this challenging period. Starting June 1, 2024, Mars will transit the 7th house for Libra natives, where it rules the 2nd and 7th houses. This transit may bring challenges in family and relationships, so it's important to be cautious with marriage decisions. In your career, you might face issues with superiors and a lack of recognition for your work. Business owners could experience intense competition and only marginal profits. Financially, this period might not bring significant gains and you could lose money during travel. Relationship-wise, you may face difficulties that affect the goodwill between you and your life partner. Health-wise, be mindful of headaches and migraines. To enhance the positive outcomes and mitigate any negatives during Mars transit, Libra natives should chant the mantra Om Sri Lakshmi Bhyo Namaha 11 times daily. This practice will help balance the energies and promote well-being during this period. Starting June 1, 2024, Mars will transit the 6th house for Scorpio natives, where it rules the 1st and 6th houses. This transit is likely to bring success with minimal effort. In your career, you may achieve recognition for your hard work and easily meet your goals. Business owners will find it easier to handle challenges and achieve success. Financially, this period promises a strong position with increased opportunities to save money. Relationship-wise, you will experience harmony and a deepening bond with your partner. Health-wise, your high immunity levels will help you maintain good health. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate any negatives during Mars transit, Scorpio natives should chant the Hanuman Chalisa daily. This practice will help balance the energies and support overall well-being during this favorable period. Starting from June 1, 2024, Mars will transit the 5th house for Sagittarius natives, where it rules the 12th and 5th houses. During this transit, you may find yourself reflecting more on your future and feeling a bit insecure. However, career-wise, this period promises prosperity and success. Those involved in the stock market may find significant profits and business success. Financially, you are likely to gain more money from speculative ventures and manage to save, although some expenses will also arise. Health-wise, you will generally enjoy good health and high energy levels. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate any negatives during Mars transit, Sagittarius natives should perform puja for Lord Shiva on Thursdays. This practice will help balance the energies and promote overall well-being during this period. Starting from June 1, 2024, Mars will transit the 4th house for Capricorn natives, where it rules the 4th and 11th houses. This transit may bring challenges related to personal comforts and family matters. Career-wise, those employed may experience intense job pressure and a lack of satisfaction. Business owners might find it difficult to achieve significant profits due to the tedious nature of work during this period. Financially, increased family expenses could lead to losses. Relationship-wise, family issues might cause strain between you and your life partner. Health-wise, a decrease in immunity could affect your comfort and you may need to spend money on your mother's health. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate any negatives during Mars transit, Capricorn natives should perform puja for planet Saturn on Saturdays. This practice will help balance the energies and promote overall well-being during this challenging period. Starting from June 1st, 2024, Mars will transit the third house for Aquarius natives, where it rules the third and 10th houses. This transit is likely to bring success in your efforts and more opportunities for travel. Career-wise, your hard work will be recognized, potentially enhancing your reputation at work. In business, you may become a stronger competitor, leading to increased profits. Financially, you can expect to gain more money and successfully accumulate it. In relationships, your communication will likely please and satisfy your life partner, fostering happiness. Health-wise, you will enjoy high energy levels and increased courage, keeping you fit and active. To maximize the positive effects and mitigate any negatives during Mars transit, Aquarius natives should chant the mantra Om Namah Shivaya 21 times daily. This practice will help balance the energies and promote overall well-being during this favorable period. Starting from June 1st, 2024, Mars will transit the second house for Pisces natives, where it rules the second and ninth houses. This transit will likely make you more focused on earning good money and benefiting from luck. Career-wise, you will develop expertise and demonstrate it through strong communication skills. In business, you can expect increased profits and success in new ventures. Financially, this period will bring more money, allowing you to save for the future. Relationship-wise, you will experience happiness with your life partner, setting a positive example for others. Health-wise, you will remain fit and free from significant health issues. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate any negatives during Mars transit, Pisces natives should perform puja for goddess Durga on Tuesdays. This practice will help balance the energies and promote overall well-being during this auspicious period. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends and relatives. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. We wish you all the best and eagerly look forward to meeting you in other videos. Until then, goodbye and namaste.